I used to have a pet parrot, Puff Daddy Plumes. Puff Daddy was obese, BMI of 47. Yeah, his body weight divided by the length of his beak, 47, gave the BMI. Borderline morbid, actually. Yeah, morbidly obese. Anyway, he died last week. Yep, my parrot ceased to exist. Puff Daddy Plumes is deceased. It's been a little while now, and I'm starting to come to terms with it, getting over it and that, going through the various stages of grief. But yeah, it's, to be honest, been a huge weight off my shoulder. R.I.P. Puff Daddy Plumes. Rest in paradise.